This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Bert Samuels, the attorney at law representing dancehall artist Popcaan, has come out swinging at the Jamaica Constabulary Force over allegations of a drug-related conviction of the entertainer in Barbados. Samuels told ORAP that he instructed his team to file a libel lawsuit against the JCF in the Supreme Court at 1 p.m. Thursday. The libel suit revolves around JCF claims of a marijuana conviction and cocaine arrest of Popcaan in the Eastern Caribbean island, which the police sought to link to immigration issues being faced by the star whenever he travels through the United Kingdom. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton says health officials are not considering new social interaction protocols amid the island confirming its first case of monkeypox. Jamaica confirmed its first case of the disease on Wednesday. The patient is a male who recently traveled from the United Kingdom. However, in response to questions at a press conference, Tufton said there has been no adjustment and no consideration of adjustment as to how the public operates. He said Jamaicans must continue to observe existing COVID-19 protocols, which he said should be adequate to prevent wide-scale spread of the monkeypox disease. Symptoms of monkeypox include fever, headache, back pain, swollen lymph nodes, chills, exhaustion, and skin rash, which generally shows up within 1 to 3 days of developing fever. In other news, a Kingston woman was arrested and charged with extortion and creating public mischief after she allegedly conspired with accomplices to give the impression that she had been kidnapped. The woman, 27-year-old Shamika Miller, is a customer service representative of a Phase 1 Seaview Gardens address. Allegations are that about 4:45 p.m. on Monday, July 4, Miller sent her family members video footage with a gun pointed at her head while demanding money from her family members for her release. When her demands were not met, she reported that she was released on Spanish Town Road. An investigation was launched and it was theorized that the allegations were false. She was arrested and interviewed in the presence of her attorney, after which she was charged, police said. In sports, the Clayton Twins, Tina and Tia of Edwin Allen High, have run their last high school race and are on their way to join Stephen Francis's MVP track club, ORAP understands. 17-year-old Tina, the reigning world under-20 100-meter champion, ran 10.96 seconds to break the Jamaican junior 100-meter record at the latest national championships. She was also part of the world record-setting women's under-20 4x100-meter team with her sister Tia in Nairobi, Kenya last year. There had been rumors that the twins, who are set to be part of the Jamaican team at next month's World Under-20 Championships in Colombia, would not return to Edwin Allen next academic year. In international news, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson succumbed to political reality Thursday and agreed to resign after the latest ethics scandal around his leadership led some 50 senior lawmakers to quit the government. Johnson had clung to power for 2 days, defiantly telling lawmakers on Wednesday that he had a colossal mandate from voters and intended to get on with the business of government. But he was forced to concede defeat Thursday morning after 2 more members of his cabinet quit and one of his closest allies, Treasury Chief Nadine Zahawi, publicly told him to resign for the good of the country. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.